In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales goals in HubSpot. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the reporting area. This is where HubSpot centralizes measurement and performance tools that help you track progress across your teams. Inside reporting, select Goals. On the Goals screen, click Create Goal. You'll see options for how to build it. Choose Create from Template. Templates save time and make sure your goal is framed with the right properties and tracking, based on common sales outcomes like revenue or deals closed. Browse the templates available with your plan and pick the one that best matches what you want to measure. When you've found the right fit, click Set Goal to start configuring it. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive goal name. Make it specific enough that anyone on your team knows exactly what it refers to, such as the segment, product line, or timeframe you're targeting. Next, decide whether you need this goal to appear in the forecasting tool. If your leadership team reviews forecast reports or you track pipeline coverage against targets, enable the forecasting option that matches your process. If not, you can keep it simple and proceed without forecasting. Now select the contributors. These are the individuals or teams responsible for achieving the goal. Choose the users, teams, or roles that should own this target. Then select the pipeline the goal should reference. Pick the pipeline that reflects where these deals actually live so your reporting stays accurate. After that, choose a forecast type that aligns with how you evaluate future revenue. Select the option that best mirrors your organization's forecasting approach. Click Next to continue. Set the target by entering the amount or count you're aiming for and the time frame HubSpot asks for, such as monthly or quarterly. Use realistic, data-informed numbers and align the currency and period with your company's standards. If the template allows per-period targets, make sure each period has the right value. Click Next again to configure notifications. Decide who should be alerted and when, such as when a goal is reached, missed, or trending behind. Pick the timing and channels that will actually prompt action without overwhelming your team. When everything looks good, click Done. Your new goal is now live in the Goals overview, where you can monitor progress, adjust contributors or targets if needed, and keep your sales team focused on the outcomes that matter.